Hi families, it's Teacher Sasha here. I'm here today to help you get by with your early childhood exploration kit from Southern Oregon Education Service District in collaboration with the Southern Oregon Early Learning Services, Southern Oregon STEM, STEM Oregon, and Room. So I hope you've all got your kits and you're ready to start exploring today. So our early childhood exploration kit has everything you need to start exploring STEM. What is STEM? Is it that thing that's attached to a flower? Well, yes, but that's not what we're talking about today. When we are talking about STEM, we're talking about S, science, T, technology, E, engineering, and M, math. All that great science stuff that we can start learning in early childhood and continue learning through school about the world around us and how it works. So let's go ahead and take a look in our bag and see what our first activity is. All right, friends, I've got my bag and I'm ready to start my first activity. So when we're doing our activities from our kits, we want to remember all the things about STEM. What was that again? Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. I know that can sound really overwhelming and really complicated when you're working with kids who are maybe 0 to 6. But I promise there are ways that we can tackle these tough subjects for every age level. These are the things that you want to be thinking about. Science. Science is just about understanding how and why things work. Being a scientist doesn't take years of study, only curiosity. Technology is just about tools. Technology is the tools we use when we're using science as a task. Technology helps us do things in an easier way, like a spoon. A spoon is technology. We don't often think about it like that, but it's true. Engineering. Oy, that's a big one. Well, engineering is just the process of designing and building. Engineers might build houses, bridges, and roads, but you can also be an engineer with just some blocks or even some sticks and some rocks. And then math. Ooh, math can be a tricky one for me. I usually like more artistic things, but there are even ways to put math into there. How do we do math with little kids? Well, math is all around us in everyday life. When we go shopping, when we play games, we need math. Even things as simple as color sorting are considered math activities. So hopefully that breaks down STEM a little bit for you so we can get started on this first project. So I'm going to pull out my magnifying glass, handy dandy explorer tool. These are great for so many different things, and you've got one in your kit that we're going to use today. So I also went out and I found a couple of rocks. I'm sure that you guys can find some in your neighborhood or maybe at a park that you can use in this activity too. I got this one, I've got this one, and I've got one more. Neat. I love rocks. So for this activity, we're going to explore using our magnifying glass on these rocks. When we're exploring, we want to ask ourselves a bunch of questions. These questions that you can ask yourself or your adult can ask you. We want to observe. So what color is the rock? What size is it? Do they look the same? Do they look different? Look at it with your eyes. What does it look like? Some rocks make different shapes. This one kind of looks like a heart. This one kind of looks like an egg. This one's all jagged and pointy. But see, it looks like I've got some gray rocks and some brown rocks. This one has a little yellow and blue. What color are your rocks, guys? So now we're going to look at them through the magnifying glass. Does it change? Do you see anything new? I think I see some sparkles in this one. This one's really shiny. Oh, this one looks like it could be made up of all kinds of different rocks. So just keep asking yourselves these questions. Keep asking the kiddos these questions to get them to observe. And you can even record it in your Explorer notes and drawings. You can make it fun, get a whole bunch of color pencils or crayons, draw your rocks, draw yourself finding the rocks. It can be a whole thing. So let's see. Now I want to see my rocks, not just with my eyes, but with my hands. This one is kind of smooth, but it's also kind of bumpy. This one is really smooth. Ooh, and like I said, this one's kind of pointy, kind of sharp, but they all feel hard, and they all feel kind of cold. Something to think about. Might want to write that down in my Explorer notes. Magnifying glasses are great to help you see tiny things. And when we see and try to understand things, we're doing science. The magnifying glass is our technology tool. See, we're already doing the first 2 steps of STEM. All right, so after we have categorized our rocks and made our notes, we can go around the house and find other things to categorize. Find other things in the house that have texture, like the rocks we found. Maybe we can find something in the house that's bumpy, or maybe something in the house is smooth. There are all kinds of things that we can do. We can try it with napkins, paper towels, the sidewalk, whatever you can think of. Just don't forget your handy dandy magnifying glass. It's definitely the tool to use when you're exploring. I hope you guys had fun with me in this activity today. Stay tuned for more videos where we can use our early childhood education exploring kit together. Hope you guys are having a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.